B1238 on this CRV hybrid is tied to the passenger side air mix system. In plain terms, the climate control unit may be seeing feedback from the passenger air mix control motor that does not match the target range. The customer may notice the passenger temperature does not respond correctly, the air mix door may not move as expected, or the HVAC system may simply store the code. Possible fault areas can include the passenger air mix motor circuit, the motor or linkage and door movement, connector condition, or the climate control unit. We are going to keep this diagnosis focused on the electrical path the code points us to. Before getting into the pinpoint checks, start with the basic system checks so you are not chasing a code with a larger system issue still present. Then turn the vehicle to the on mode and run the self-diagnostic function. You can do that with the HDS or through the climate control unit. If you are using the HDS, the HVAC data list is the area you want to be working from. Next, set up for the MHOTAS and MCOOLAS circuit inspection. Disconnect the passenger's air mix control motor connector, the 5P connector. Then disconnect climate control unit connector B, the 24P connector. At this point, connector identification matters. If the connector or terminal view is not clear, pause and confirm the earlier diagnostic path before probing. Do not guess at terminals. Now perform the MHOTAS and MCOOLAS circuit inspection in order. With IG mode off, check the MHOTAS wire for an open. A normal result is less than 1 ohmega. Then, still with IG mode OFF, check the MCOOLAS wire for an open. That circuit is also normal at less than 1 ohmega. If either circuit does not meet that result, the problem is in the circuit. After the open checks, move into the short to ground checks for the same two circuits. With IG mode off, check MHOTAS for short to ground. A normal result is more than 1 ohmega. Then check MCOOLAS for a short to ground. That circuit should also be more than 1 ohmega. If one of these checks is abnormal, stay with the circuit diagnosis instead of moving on to the control unit. If the circuit checks and the other inspection items all indicate a normal condition, the remaining fault area is the climate control unit. Keep verification separate from the circuit testing. After the fault is corrected, verify the repair and confirm B1238 stays gone under the same operating conditions. The takeaway is simple. Prove the two passenger air mix command circuits first, and only move toward the climate control unit after the circuit path checks normal. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.